Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort your tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here, we have to go into the My Tasks category in the bottom bar. And then under the My Tasks name in the top left corner, there is a bar with some other functions. We can tap on the third option, which is symbolized by an arrow pointing upward and downward. And here we can apply some sorting criteria to the tasks that we have. So we can sort it by due date, for example, or likes, or sort within sections if we have some sections. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.